All right, so taking off. Here's the backside, 10 millimeter here, which is the ground here, and of course this one here was these two right here, these two, and this here is where the 14 went in. And what I did was I had a short 14 on a ratchet in the back here and broke it loose with the 14, but that was after I took it off with the 10. So the 10 goes for the ground straps from the back, and I got to it with a ratchet wrench. You take those two bolts off, then you can move this off of here, this thing off of here, so that this can move out. This needs to go up a little bit to move out of the way of this bolt. So, and then of course there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the bolts. 5/16 hex and a 14. And here's our spark plugs back here. Just take those 10 millimeter bolts off, move those wires out of the way, and you're in business.